Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install RStudio for your desktop. If you have iOS, so simply type RStudio for iOS, or you can say for the MacBook. And if you have simply the means your laptop is not MacBook, so you can simply type RStudio on the Google search. That you can see I have written here RStudio, that RStudio, simply just write down RStudio and then click on RStudio. Then it will show you the result, that is pause it. I will also share this link and through that you can download. And one more thing I want to tell you, that RStudio is a free software. That means you're not supposed to make any kind of payment to the certain authority, and this is there is no means authentication is required for you downloading this particular software. So simply what we are supposed to do, then we have to click here on the RStudio desktop. And RStudio is one of the software, or you can say R is one of the software that helps to calculate a number of variables, or you can say different type of descriptive analysis, or the you can say statistical analysis that you want to do. You simply can do with the RStudio. And this RStudio is used by the million of peoples weekly, and day to day its usage is increasing. And because this is this is easy to use, and this is freely available on the internet. So let's start with the how we are going to install the R. I've already downloaded for my desktop, but here you will see there are two things are there. One is install R, another is install RStudio. So you have to understand both the things you have to download for using the RStudio. Firstly, what we are going to do, we have to install R. Here if you will see, RStudio requires R.3, R3.6.0 plus choose a version of R that matches your computer operating system. Simply you are not going to do nothing. Here you are going to do download and install R. So it will redirect us to the this particular page, the comprehensive R archive network. So you will see that different things are there. Download R for Linux, as I've already told you which kind of laptop you have, so that will show you different information. Download R for macOS, download R for Windows. So here I have Windows in my laptop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on the download R for Windows. Then if you will see here written install R for the first time, then you have to click here. And if you have already downloaded it, or if you want to update it, that updation is you can do by your already downloaded software. Okay, so simply you have to click on this install R. And if you will see here, you can see that is showing R 4.4.0 for Windows. So this is one of the updated version of R that you can see here. And when I'll click here on the R 4.40 for Windows, it requires 82 megabytes and 64 bit that consists of. So simply when we will click on this download R 4.4.0, so as I'm doing the screen recording, you can see that particular it has started downloaded. So this way we have to download this R 4.40 for Windows. Here I am pausing this because I have already downloaded this. Now next one, what we have to do, if you can see my screen, that is download RStudio desktop for Windows. Okay, so what we will do, we'll click on the download RStudio. Okay, simply it has been started for downloading. Now you see beta, when both the things you will download, you have to simply click on the installing process, and then it will start downloading the content that you want to process, means your RStudio. Okay, I hope you like this video, and for further updates you can subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.